Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will be going through a very important topic for all upcoming entrance exams, be it AIMS or NEET PG. You can expect at least 2 to 3 MCQs from the topic coronavirus. I have covered 25 high yield one-liners from this topic and a few image-based questions that could be asked. So let's begin. Genetic material of coronavirus. It is RNA virus. 3 more important points to note. It is single strand RNA, enveloped, and linear positive sense RNA virus. This image of coronavirus can be given, and you could be asked to identify the virus or any of the protein. There are 4 proteins present on the structure of the virus. They are membrane protein, nucleocapsid protein, spike protein, and envelope protein, along with the genetic material which is ssRNA. The function of the proteins are they help in attachment and replication of the virus. Most common mode of spread of coronavirus: inhalation. The other mode of spread are fomites and contact spread. Which is not a mode of spread of coronavirus? Bloodborne. So this can be asked in such a format. All of the following are mode of spread of coronavirus except A. Fomites, B. Inhalational, C. Bloodborne, D. Contact spread. So the answer is C. Bloodborne. Most common clinical feature of coronavirus: fever. The characteristic type of fever is high grade fever along with respiratory symptoms. Most probable wildlife animal reservoir for coronavirus: bats. Most common and severe manifestation of coronavirus: pneumonia. Duration of quarantine suggested for coronavirus: 14 days. Now an important question: when should asymptomatic, direct and high risk contacts of a confirmed case of coronavirus be tested? So the answer is between day 5 and 14 of coming into contact. This is because 14 days is the incubation period of coronavirus. Now a few important dates. WHO declared COVID-19 as a pandemic on 11th March 2020. Human to human transmission of novel coronavirus was confirmed on 20th January 2020. Novel coronavirus was named as COVID-19 on 19th February 2020. We all know that the first case of COVID-19 was from Hubei province of China. Questions can be asked from the subsequent cases. First country to report a case outside of China: Thailand. First Indian case was reported in which state? Kerala. Now again an important question. Nodal laboratory designated for coronavirus testing in India: National Institute of Virology, Pune. Now a few questions coming from pathogenesis and diagnosis. Principle used in COVID-19 rapid testing kits: lateral flow immunochromatography. Investigation of choice for confirmation of COVID: nucleic acid amplification test or RT-PCR. Enzyme used by coronavirus for transcription in host cell: RNA dependent RNA polymerase. This is known as nested transcription. Enzyme receptor for coronavirus in the body: ACE2 receptor. Now an important fact to know is coronavirus, when it attaches to ACE2 receptor, causes cytokine release syndrome. Dose of hydroxychloroquine used for prophylaxis of coronavirus: 400 mg on day 1, followed by 400 mg once weekly for 7 weeks. This is for asymptomatic contacts of lab confirmed cases. The mechanism of action of hydroxychloroquine is it modifies endosomal pH, altering the activity of virus. Contraindications to hydroxychloroquine includes age less than 15 years, G6PD deficiency, hypersensitivity to hydroxychloroquine, and patient of chronic cardiac diseases. So there are 4 contraindications to hydroxychloroquine. N95 masks should be discarded in which color bag according to Biomedical Waste Management Protocol? Yellow bag. Walk-through disinfectant for coronavirus? Sodium hypochlorite. Hypoxemia associated with pneumonia is considered when SpO2 levels are less than 90% on room air. Mode of ventilation used for refractory hypoxemia? ECMO or extracorporeal membrane oxygenation. Now coming to radiology of COVID-19. Most common CT scan finding associated with the patient of COVID-19, ground glass opacity. Now the characteristic of this is it is most commonly seen bilateral with predominant distribution in posterior and peripheral parts of lung. So this is an image-based question from radiology of COVID-19. Now coming to a few questions from treatment. Immunomodulatory drug used to improve immunity? Interferon beta 1. Monoclonal antibody used to treat cytokine release syndrome? Tocilizumab, and this is against interleukin 6. As we had seen before, coronavirus attaches to ACE2 receptor and causes cytokine release syndrome. So this is managed by tocilizumab, which is a monoclonal antibody against interleukin 6. And lastly, mechanism of action of remdesivir. It is adenosine analog. Now an important thing to note is no drug is FDA approved for coronavirus. So all the drugs that are used for symptomatic relief. So thank you everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all frontline workers who have been risking their lives to fight the pandemic. For everyone out there, stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope we get out of this situation soon and return back to a normal life. I have attached a link above to all the subject playlists. Do go through all important one-liners subject-wise. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.